Hello guys, today I'm reviewing this mini portable fan. It's cute now. Let's see some things. First, this manual dial, then colors of which can I get, and this how to use it. This is the main charger, stand with it, and this fancy barcode, and it's front. So you get colors on it. Please, I got the pink one and my color. Let's open it. Watch, wait a minute. So the open it. My close mine. Which one is for the Which one? Oh my god, I got the pink one! Oh my god, it's so cute now. Wow, 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 wow. Solid. This is one cute ears. Oh my gosh. Round sheet. I love in the color of fins. Here when it goes to stand, just a stand. Okay. Stand fins. This is charger point, and this is on point. Let's start it. Pretty baby. How I see. Let's off it. Let's see what's more late. First, main market. Guys, I got this bunny, you know. There should be one thing. No, this is catwoman. No, this is reindeer. This is for. Oh, I got the bunny. You can see it's bunny now. Bunny here. Oh, ये bunny. This mark it even. Mark it दिखाई देती. Mark. There's a card. Let's see what's more inside this. I think it's more. I think it's just. I got this charger. See it. Oh, this looks become. Oh my gosh. Teach. ऐसा मत करना. मैं कर रही हूँ. इसमें चार्जर कैसे लगा सकते हैं हम लोग? लगा सकते हो. It can charge. Okay. One thing I left. Think this left was. It has noise. Let's see what we got. Ta-da! This is a stand for a fan of this fan. You can put inside it. You can see it. Oh, thanks. This anything inside it. This marker. Thank you. Need it. Need it. Thank you. That's it. Get back here with the I like lavender and pink color. Let's use what is a massager? I should know this now only. If it's cool like structure, you can just do it. It has noise. That's it. I'm enjoying with this. Bye bye. You should also do. I'm reading it 10 of 10. I'm seeing it comments. Sure you got. Bye bye.